2023 Kia EV6. I'm going to attempt to read the pin code and program some keys. Select EV6 22 and up. Pin code. Press OK. Pin code functions. Smart aerial is needed. Yes. And we are connected to the internet. Yes. Place a working key on the smart aerial. So I will set that like right there. And we'll try doing a disconnect. And a reconnect. And we'll turn our key. Key is on the smart aerial. And there's our 6-digit PIN code. Thank you. All right, now that we got our 6-digit PIN code, we're going to go to program prox keys. I have 3 keys to program. Ignition is off. Program prox. Yes, I want to continue. 6-digit PIN code 356327. Open and close the door. Ignition is off. All right, within 5 seconds, gonna press and hold the key. And we got one. Yes, we want to do another one. And there's 2. And we will do one more. Press yes. And 3 keys. And it looks like we're maxed out at 3 keys. Thank you very much. Have a good day.